Welcome to the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 in black. This truck is powered by a 2.8-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Colorado, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power adjustable mirrors, automatic headlights, dial-controlled driving modes, integrated trailer braking, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, 7-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, turnkey ignition, climate controls in the center dash, shifters in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Colorado, starting off with the 17-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, Colorado badging on the doors, paint-matched mirrors, Duramax diesel badging on the hood. Around the front of the vehicle, bow tie cutout as well as the Chevrolet lettering cutouts in the grille, red recovery hooks, projector-style headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. ZR2 lettering on the sides of the bed. Around the back of the vehicle, we have the towing package installed. Colorado and ZR2 badging on the tailgate. Heading back inside the Colorado, back seats here have Underseat Storage and can be locked in the upright position. This lever right here releases it. Back seats are also car seat ready. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear manual sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and here in the center console we have 2 USB chargers and a cigarette lighter outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.